Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, over the last 24 hours, the mild bullish tones echoed throughout the night for the Australian dollar as it briefly recaptures the 78 handle, but still struggled and actually got caught as it challenges the top side of the range, with the downtrend coming in around 78 figure 30 and also the 60-day moving average that came in at 78.40. From the rejection, as you can see very firmly this morning, as the market falls away back under 78 cents, now looks towards the support of 77.45, with the bull camp beneath at 76.80. It is viewed that from the rejection should put further emphasis on the downside, along with the fact that yesterday's RBA announcement, as widely expected, kept interest rates at historic lows around 1.5%. Well, the euro is finding a bit of upward steam at the moment as the market rallies above the 124 handle. But nevertheless, I still question this pattern purely for the fact is we are a little bit unsure about this current move. I feel that this would give opportunity to shorten the market, as overall I'm looking back towards 121.80 to 122, and a break beneath there would give further exposure to 118. What has put a little bit of a stir in the market at the moment is the fact that this morning we got the recent news that top White House economic advisor Gary Cole, a Wall Street banker who became a principal architect of 2017's tax overhaul, has resigned. And this may actually put a bit of a stir to the fact that Trump's support is actually weakening further as people still are walking away from him. It was recently that the tariffs from the US has put a bit of a strain on Trump's support, and we'll see how that actually increases this week. On the day, though, I see a range of 123.85 to 124.55. Well, the dollar yen has fallen back as the yen strengthens overnight, and also the geopolitical risks have actually lightened up after North Korea recently said that they are open to discussion about denuclearization as long as its regime is guaranteed safety. Trump was very open to this news, and the market has actually found a bit of strength coming back into the market and also backing away from this resistance that comes in now 106.40.55. At present levels, I'm not bearish, but if we go under 105, then this would give further scope to the downside, but I'd rather sit out and be neutral and see how the market plays. Overall, I do expect to see a recovery for the fourth time from this region. Well, the sterling outlook has now taken a brazen move to the upside and now challenges the level 139.30.40. I am not overly bullish at these levels. We don't have confirmation from the MACD, and also from this short-term downtrend should cap the market, and I expect to see weakness returning with the immediate support seen at 138.50. Well, of course, with the geopolitical risks easing out of North Korea, has actually gave a little bit of momentum for the gold, along with the fact that the economic advisor Gary Cole stepped down. His market is now stepping back to buying safe haven currency, and you can see here that at the moment we are trading around 1,337, with the resistance coming in at 42. I'm still a little bit skeptical of this move, but nevertheless you can see that the market, since the rejection from this 1,300, is the roller coaster ride is still very much in play. So I'm not going to get too bullish, as these indicators haven't fully confirmed the move up. And to round off with oil, well, the market, as I predicted, was looking for a bear move, and we got that overnight with the oil backing away from 62 handle and still very much looking for the downward case at $59 a barrel. As you can see from the weeklies, there is no momentum. So therefore I don't feel the market can actually, on its own merits, rally. So we should see further weakness into the coming session. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.